Hi, so in this short video, we will show you how we can use nested functions. So, as we see with me in this sheet, we have two tables. I will show you how we can use vlookup functions and choose. So, you see with me, we have two tables here. So, company A, and we have annual salary for each department here for table 1. Same thing for table 2 and for table 3. So, to return salary based on this department that we have here for each uh, staff department, can use vlookup with choice. Well, to not write equal, so vlookup, as we see with me here, that value that we want, or the values that we want here for in our case is management, writing the comma. We apply also choice function. Okay, we choose this index comma. We select the whole table 1. Okay, as we see comma, but for that we need to fix table. So to return the value for all table, we trace in the second table, comma also fix table here. Sorry. So we select third table, exit also $sign. So we close and comma. Here we have, so as we see with me in the three tables, we have just two commas. We write into, and we want the exact value. That means is not absolute exact match. We choose false. Okay, close, and there is value here. So as we see, we have 45 here, first table. That's what you get here exactly. So to get all value, we drag. Okay, and there is the table. So for management in the table, we have 20, and that we have management is 25. Thank you for watching my video.